Hello, so we're coming to the end of Stress Awareness Month, and I did do a post on this a couple of days ago, but I want to talk to you about one of my favourite stress relievers, which is meditation. If you've not tried it, you need to have a go. It's absolutely amazing, and it doesn't mean that you need to sit cross-legged humming or you need to sit on the top of a hill for hours on end. You could try meditation for 5 minutes a day. You could have a go and see how it works for you. There's loads of guided meditations that you can use online, but first of all, just sit down in a quiet space. And meditation helps with so many different things. It helps reduce our breathing. It helps reduce our cortisol levels. Now, cortisol is our stress hormone. The minute we get into a nice meditative space, we get into our subconscious part of our mind rather than our conscious, which is where change takes place. So if you've heard of visualization, we can visualize when we meditate. We can visualize what we want rather than what we don't want. And it just helps reduce that incessant chatter that you can hear all the time, day and night, that negative chit chat that just gets in the way of a lot of things. It lowers our brainwave levels. It helps in so many different ways. And if you haven't had a go, please do try. It's absolutely wonderful. One of my favourite stress busters and stress busting tips. So do let me know how you get on. Notice what time of day you do it as well. I try meditating at night, but for me, I'm best off first thing in the morning. So I'll get up in the morning and I'll meditate anywhere between kind of 10 minutes to up to an hour. So let me know how you get on and good luck. Take care.